Hello all, welcome to our channel Go for Crafts. Today I come up with a beautiful glass bead necklace with the theme of our national flag color combination. So like green, orange and white combination. We'll see the materials. Here I've took glass beads of 10 mm with 3 color combinations and one antique pendant. And to lock the necklace, we'll be using chain and locks. And we'll be using for antique beads also, and for earrings, fish hook wires and pins. To lock the necklace, we are gonna use locking crumbs, and hanging to the pendants, small charms. So let us see the procedure. I taken a copper wire here of silver color, and initially I'm just inserting some 5 antique silver color beads. Then as a combination, I mean flag color combination, initially I am using orange glass beads. Here I took 3 initially, then I am going to give a separation with small silver antique beads. Then comes the color of white. Again white 3 beads. And separating with antique silver bead. Then I am inserting green color. So this is one series. So likewise the same kind of like 3 beads we are going to add one more series below to this, separating with the silver beads. Now we are adding the pendant here, and we will be continuing the same series like the other side, this side also. So finally we are inserting 5 beads this side also. Then we will be locking. After locking, we inserted a chain also with the hook, and the other part also we are going to lock now. So before locking, the extra, you see that it will all went inside the beads. Always it is suggested to leave little extra wire in reverse with the locks, because it will give you, it will not allow you to the slip of the necklace. Around in 3 beads I have taken it back and pulling tightly. And press the locking crumbs. Tricolor necklace is ready now. So matching to this, we'll be gonna make beautiful earrings also. If you want, you can even use a thread also backside. So we'll see how to make the earrings. I've taken a pins here. Then as it is the color combination like green, then white, then orange, and I'm gonna use fish hook wires here instead of stud, because studs again will give you more antique look. As it is a theme based earring, it's always like will be look good with the fish hook wires. Here I am doing the second earring also. Our earrings are ready. So that's how with the simple glass beads you can make a beautiful theme based necklace. And on the down part we have to hang some charms. So I have taken some bell shaped charms here with the help of jumping rings. I'm going to attach this to the pendant. So this is what our today's theme based necklace set is ready. Hope you all like this video. Please subscribe the channel and press bell button for future notifications. Leave your comments in our comment section. Thank you so much.